Argentum nitricum. Its common name is silver nitrate. Its prover is Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Its formula AgNO3. Miasm. It covers all the miasms. Thermal relationship. Hot patient. Constitution. Best suited to hysterical, nervous person with hydrogenite constitution. The person is schizotic, withered and old looking. Elements from apprehension, fear, eating ice, intemperate habit, mental strain and worry, sugar and tobacco. Mental symptoms. The patient is sad, melancholic and confuses. Patient thinks death is near and has fear of death. Weak memory, time passes slowly. Great apprehension when getting ready to examination, church, etc. Diarrhea sets at that time. Becomes very impulsive. There is frequent loss of memory. Vertigo when closing eyes, mental confusion and dizziness. Guiding symptoms. Headache. Congestive headache with fullness of head. Chilly when uncovered. Diarrhea after drinking. It is left-sided complaints. Extremities. Most marked in lower extremities. An aggravation from night, warm room and summer, warm bed and warm drink, etc. Rising from sitting position. Sweets and eating. After emaciation and ice cream. Amelioration from stimulant, cool and open air. Washing with cold water. Tight bandage. By sitting position. Eructation. Thank you.